Hello there, welcome back. So right here I have a 2008 BMW 328i. So that airbag light in the middle right there, you see this big one right here. So I'm going to show you how to bypass that light, guys. So I'm getting this code right here, which is 0093B2. So multiple resistance system MRS safety battery terminal. So I'm going to show you how to bypass it, guys. So let me cut the car off. I'm going to go around here and make the connection. Alright guys, so right here I have some resistor. I get all this pack. I'm going to put the link in the description. You can get all this on Amazon. So right here, this is the 2.2 ohms resistor. So what you're gonna do, this wire right here, as you can see, it corrode and get black and all dirty, and so it go to this terminal right here and the battery. So what I do, I chafe the wire and clean it off, because as you can see the wire itself is really dirty, it's black for some reason, like water catch it or something. So I'm going to make the connection and show you guys what's going on. Alright now guys, so as you can see right here, I have the wire and the resistor, so I connect it between the wires. What I do is I strip the ends and connect it between it. As you can see right here, it seems that this piece is ready to break off because it's get rotten. So that's all I need to do, guys. So I'm going to go back in the car now and start the car, and the light should go off. Alright, let me crank the car. Alright guys, so because the wire was so corroded, I have to go back around there and fix the resistor properly, and then clean the wires and connect it tighter. So now, as you can see, the light go off. If I cut the car off and crank it back, the light should go off. Alright, there's no light now. So that's fixed the problem right there, guys. Let me alright, let me re-crank it. Alright, let me check back the airbag system and see if I'm going to get any code. Read code. Alright, no showing no code, guys. So that's it right there. That's how you bypass your airbag. Not airbag, sorry. The battery terminal resistance right here, guys. So if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Catch you another time. Bye.